Welcome to Manado, a journey of culture, cuisine and coral reefs. Let's embark on the enchanting journey to Manado, unveiling the treasures of North Sulawesi. As the sun rises over the tranquil city of Manado, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, you find yourself standing at the foot of the majestic Christ blessing statue. The statue, arms outstretched in a welcoming embrace, serves as a symbol of the warmth and diversity that defines the city. With this iconic landmark as your starting point, a rich tapestry of experiences awaits you in North Sulawesi. As the day unfolds, follow the gentle sounds of waves to the Manado City Boulevard. This scenic waterfront strip is more than just a picturesque backdrop. It's a dynamic blend of nature and urban life. Manicured parks and gardens line the promenade, creating an oasis of tranquility amidst the vibrant city. Enjoy a leisurely stroll or engage in a spot of people watching as locals and tourists alike converge to relish the sea breeze and breathtaking views. Dive into the heart of Manado's cultural mosaic with a visit to the Hin Kiong Temple. The scent of burning incense wafts through the air as you explore this sacred space, where ancient Chinese traditions seamlessly meld with local spirituality. Within the temple grounds, discover a hidden treasure, the Hin Kiong Museum. Marvel at intricate artifacts, delicate calligraphy, and historical relics that narrate the story of Chinese influence in North Sulawesi. Your cultural odyssey continues at the North Sulawesi Museum, a treasure trove of North Sulawesi's past. Wander through meticulously curated exhibits showcasing traditional costumes, ancient weaponry, and artifacts that reflect the region's diverse heritage. Engage with passionate curators who share anecdotes, providing a deeper understanding of the customs and rituals that have shaped the lives of the Minahasan people. For a rendezvous with the wild, venture to the Tangkoko Nature Reserve, where the enchanting tales of biodiversity come to life. Guided by experienced park rangers, traverse the trails beneath the dense forest canopy, encountering charismatic creatures such as black macaques and elusive tarsiers. As the sun sets, the nocturnal symphony begins, with Selby's-crested macaques and other night dwellers adding their voices to the harmonious narrative of Tangkoko. For an authentic immersion into the local way of life, venture to Tomohon Market. Here, the bustling atmosphere and vibrant colours create a sensory feast. Engage with friendly vendors as you navigate through stalls piled high with exotic fruits, aromatic spices and traditional snacks. Allow the lively market to introduce you to the Minahasan culture, where every purchase is a story waiting to be shared. Manado's culinary scene beckons with a fusion of flavours, a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Begin your gastronomic adventure with Cakalang Fufu, where the smoky aroma of smoked skipjack tuna dances with your taste buds. In the heart of Manado's culinary repertoire lies a dish that encapsulates the warmth, diversity and rich flavours of the region, Bubur Manado. This hearty porridge, often considered a comfort food, serves not just as nourishment for the body, but as a reflection of the cultural tapestry that defines North Sulawesi. The Ayam Tinoransak, with its intricate blend of herbs and spices, emerges as a dish that tantalizes the taste buds with its bold flavors and aromatic spices. The robust Brenebon Soup stands out as a beloved dish that captures the essence of Minahasan comfort food. This hearty soup, rich with flavors and wholesome ingredients, reflects the region's diverse culinary influences and showcases a harmonious blend of local spices and protein sources. And for the dessert, try the sweet decadence of Klapertart, which offer a symphony of tastes that linger long after the last bite. Klapertart emerges as a sweet masterpiece, captivating the senses with its luscious blend of coconut, custard, and a hint of tropical indulgence. Your spiritual journey takes a serene turn at Pagoda Ekayana, nestled in the heart of Manado's Chinatown. The traditional Chinese architecture of the pagoda, adorned with intricate details and vibrant colors, invites you to explore a place of contemplation and tranquility. As your journey unfolds, venture to the captivating Linow Lake in Tomohon. This mystical lake, nestled in a volcanic crater, captivates with its ever-changing colors. The mineral-rich waters transition from emerald green to turquoise and even red, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Take a leisurely stroll along the lake's edge, embracing the tranquil ambience and the beauty of this natural wonder. For a taste of urban excitement, explore Manado Town Square, a bustling shopping and entertainment complex. Stroll through vibrant boutiques, savor local delicacies at food stalls, and soak in the lively atmosphere. Mantos is not just a shopping destination, it's a vibrant hub where locals gather to unwind and celebrate the city's dynamic spirit. As you ascend, the panoramic views of the city unfold, creating a moment of serenity amidst the bustling urban landscape. As the day transitions to the shimmering hues of the evening, set sail for Bunaken National Marine Park. A short boat ride unveils an underwater paradise, crystal-clear waters teeming with vibrant coral reefs and an array of marine life. Dive into the depths where schools of fish dance around you, and colourful corals create an otherworldly landscape. Bunaken is not merely a destination, it's a testament to Manado's commitment to preserving the natural wonders that lie beneath the surface. Embrace the call of nature with a journey to Mount Lokon. The active volcano, draped in lush vegetation, invites you to ascend its slopes. The trek is challenging, but the reward is unparalleled. Panoramic views of North Sulawesi's diverse landscapes, from dense forests to sprawling cityscapes. Feel the cool mountain breeze as you stand in awe of the raw beauty that surrounds you. Your exploration takes a historical turn with a visit to the ancient Waruga stone graves in Airmadidi. These mysterious sarcophagi, dating back centuries, offer a glimpse into the unique burial practices of the Minahasan people. Continue your cultural immersion at the Malalayang Cultural Village, where traditional houses, intricate crafts and lively performances transport you to a bygone era. Conclude your journey with a visit to the Ratulangi Museum, dedicated to a national hero whose legacy echoes through the ages. Manado, with its vibrant tapestry of culture, cuisine and natural wonders, invites you to become an integral part of its story. As you bid farewell, carry not just memories but a deep appreciation for the diverse facets that make Manado a truly enchanting destination, one that beckons you to explore, taste and embrace its unique charm. Your journey through North Sulawesi is not just a trip, it's an odyssey, leaving an indelible mark on your heart.